How to remove a green screen in CapCut using the Chroma key. So first you want to open up your project and import your videos. So this is my main video here. I'm dragging it on the timeline. And this is my green screen video. I'm going to also drag it on the timeline on the top here. So for example, it initially would look like this. This is my main video at the bottom, and this is the overlaid video, which has the green screen. So if you move the playhead here, you can see it. For example, I can adjust it on the right side. Now you want to select that overlay video with the green screen, and then this tab should appear. Click on video and then click on remove BG for the background. And now you want to check the chroma key checkbox here, and with the color picker you want to basically pick the color by dropping it here on the green part of the video. And once you've picked it, it should remove the color or the green screen color. And you can also adjust the intensity right here, so it removes these colors from the edges as well as the shadows, the feather, and the cleanup edge. These also require some premium features to be able to use them. And now you can basically play your video, and as you can see, it's being overlaid right here without the green screen. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.